Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix QUIC_protocol_error Google Chrome. Chapter 1, How to fix QUIC protocol error Chrome disabling QUIC. To start, open Chrome. Now in a new tab, enter Chrome://flags. Then in the search box, enter QUIC. Here in the experimental QUIC protocol section, you are going to choose the disabled option. After that, click on Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the changes. Chapter 2, How to fix QUIC protocol error Chrome resetting flags. To get started, open Chrome. Here, open a new tab, enter Chrome://flags. When accessing, you are going to click on the button, Reset All. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and see all the default values. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3, How to fix QUIC protocol error Chrome disabling extensions. To start, open the browser. From the menu, click on Extensions and then on Manage Extensions. When you access the extensions, you can disable the extensions that give the error. You do this clicking on their switch. Chapter 4, How to fix QUIC protocol error Chrome disabling firewall. To start, enter Firewall in the search box. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. After this, you will select the option Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now check the box, Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Click on OK. You may see a security warning message. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.